Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning and inviting buffet table using a variety of decorative components. Whether you're hosting a special event or simply having a gathering with friends, these tips will elevate your buffet presentation to the next level. Let's get started. First, lay down a beautiful tablecloth or table runner to create a clean and cohesive foundation for our buffet. Make sure it complements the theme or color scheme of your event. Now, let's add some dimension to our display. Place risers or stands strategically on the table. These will help elevate some of our dishes and create an eye-catching arrangement. The centerpiece is the star of the show. Choose a visually striking arrangement, such as a floral centerpiece or a themed sculpture, to serve as the focal point of the table. This will instantly grab your guests' attention. Next, arrange platters in an organized manner to showcase your main dishes. This creates a professional and appetizing presentation. Make sure to leave enough space between each dish for easy access. For smaller items like appetizers and desserts, opt for serving trays and bowls. These will keep the table looking neat and make it easier for your guests to help themselves. Beverage dispensers are not only practical but also add a touch of elegance to your buffet. Fill them with refreshing drinks like lemonade or fruit-infused water. If you're serving hot dishes, chafing dishes with warmers are a must-have. They will ensure that your food stays deliciously warm throughout the event. Now, let's create a separate area for cutlery and utensils. Arrange them in a stylish and organized manner, making it easy for your guests to serve themselves. Add a touch of elegance with napkins and napkin holders. This small detail will go a long way in impressing your guests and keeping things tidy. To avoid any confusion, use name cards or labels for each dish. This way, your guests will know exactly what they're about to enjoy. Let's create a festive atmosphere with decorative banners or garlands. Hang them above or around the buffet table to add that extra touch of celebration. Candles or votive holders can provide a warm and inviting ambience, especially if your event takes place in the evening. Just be sure to place them safely away from anything flammable. To protect your dishes and keep them fresh, use food tents or covers. They will also prevent any unwanted pests from getting too curious. Offer a delightful selection of cheeses, fruits, and nuts on a cheese board, and don't forget a charming bread basket to accompany your main dishes. Keep your beverages chilled and easily accessible with an ice bucket or cooler. Your guests will appreciate the thoughtful touch. To add a touch of nature and freshness, decorate the table with fresh flowers or greenery. It's a simple yet effective way to elevate the entire setup. Last but not least, use decorative tableware that matches your theme or color scheme. This will tie everything together and complete the look. Don't forget about dessert. Display a variety of sweets and treats on tiered dessert stands for an irresistible finale to your buffet. And there you have it, a beautifully decorated buffet table that will leave a lasting impression on your guests. Remember, attention to detail and creativity go a long way. Enjoy your event, and see you next time.